Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can post the Instagram Reels with maximum quality. And if you want to post your story, your reels and whatever you want to post with a maximum quality, like without losing a single pixel, how do you do that? In this video I'm going to tell you. But before that, make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. Alright, so let's jump right into it. All you need to do, head over to your profile section, and over there you're gonna navigate up to the top right on the three lines and go to settings. In settings, you're gonna go to account. In account, we have this cellular data used right here, so click on that, and here you will find media upload quality, and here we have upload at highest quality, so you're gonna toggle this on. And from now and onwards, you will, whenever you will post any kind of reel or story or maybe some random post, you can post it with a maximum quality. So this is how you can post Instagram Reels or post with a maximum quality. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.